Here's how to make an organ house track on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. For any organ house track, we're going to need an organ bass line. I'm using this organ bass preset from Grain X4, but you can use any organ bass sound you want. For these kind of tracks, we're typically going to set our snap to grid to a quarter beat and create a movement that uses notes every 3 steps. This creates a kind of offbeat swing sound. And for the notes we're using, we're going to use any notes in a major or a minor scale, but we're going to make sure to utilize notes that are semitone apart. This creates a sound that has tension to it. Here's the pattern that we've got. Now that we have this pattern down, we're going to create a chord progression. But these chords aren't just random chords inside of our scale. If we take these organ bass notes and paste them into the chord progression, you can see that we're starting with the chord that has the same bass note as the organ bass. And then we move over to this C sharp minor chord because the organ bass plays this note. Note that the G sharp was pitched down an octave, so C sharp is still the bass note for this chord. Then you can see we copy this over here by playing a G sharp minor chord and then back to the C sharp minor chord. For this sound, I'm using a pad preset. This is the Don't Forget Me pad inside of Grain X4, which blends together 3 different samples here just to create a thicker sound. And then we have a key sound, which plays the exact same chords, but an octave up. Here's how these 3 elements all sound together. Now we can move on to our drums. House drums are pretty simple. We have a kick pattern that plays notes on every single beat. This is known as a 4 on the floor kick. Then we have an open hat, which plays on the second beat. So it literally plays in between each kick. And finally, a clap, which is layered on top of every other kick. Then this is optional, but we can layer in a perk loop just to sit behind and create some ambience for the drums. Now, for all of my drum sounds, I set them to their own mixer track and then went into the mixer and routed these to a separate mixer track. In this case, at number 30, where I added an RC20 retro color. This plugin's great for giving that kind of old school sound, and it adds an element of realism to the drums. I've added a small bit of noise, some distortion to make the drums sound thicker, and some reverb to make it sound like these are being played live. Here's how the drums sound without the effects. And with the effects. We can also layer a crash at the beginning of the drums for impact. This is great for the beginning of each section. And now we have this lead sound. For house, you can either use a string or a lead. This is the preset that I'm using, and since we're in the key of E major, we're going to play the note E. Now we want to keep our track progressing and moving, so I've added this pattern here, which is the exact same chords as before, but using a really simple saw preset with 5 voices and some detune. This is referred to as a super saw sound. Now that we've got the basis of the track down, let's try and get creative with this. In almost all songs, we'll need a vocal. I'm using this vocal from Tame Impala's One More Hour. Whatever I've done. And I found this really cool vocal section. How could I love again? So I've routed this to a mixer track and added this Portal preset. I then bounced that as an audio clip and started chopping up and repitching the pattern, which gave me this sound. This isn't something that you need to do for organ house, but adding unique elements to your track is great to make you stand out as an artist. Now here's a super important trick that you need to know. With all house music, you'll hear that it has this kind of pulsating sound to it. This is something called sidechain, where we simply duck the volume of all melodic sounds, so the pad, the bass, the strings, when the kick drum hits. Here's how this sounds without sidechain. And with sidechain, I'm going to increase the sidechain so that you can definitely hear how this sounds. Sidechain is a technique that's commonly used to make sure that the kick drum and the bass doesn't clash. But in house music, it's used for a more artistic sound. And that is how you create an organ house track on FL Studio. Let's hear how this sounds. By the way, I've added a link to Grain X4 in the description of this video, where it's currently 70% off to only $29.99. It has over 400 presets, so make sure to check it out.